So when you're seed saving, which is an act of breeding, whether it's intentional or not, or you're actively breeding, like these charts here in the greenhouse are here to be crossed between two varietals, we have to take the responsibility that normally nature does. And nature is one of the most brutal breeders on Earth and probably in the universe. This was a good time to highlight a plant that cannot go forward. So if you were in your garden or on your farm, the plants really tell you which are healthy. They speak in their own language, which is really almost common sense. You have plants here that are healthy and vigorous, upright and erect. The leaves are beautiful. The habit on the leaf is beautiful. And then you come over here and you see this one. It's bolting. It's really stopped growing. All of the leaves started curling. So this is a plant that could not go forward. If you were seed saving and you had something really rare and you were forced to save seed off of something like this, that's a choice, of course, that you have to make. But when you have the choice, plants like this have to go. So you're out and you guys are in.